Omukoro gwahikwaho abantu bingi bebitinisa kandi gwahebemberwa minisita w'ebyakanyabwenge hamwe no kuhabura ihanga Dr. Chris Baryomunsi arikuherwaho chancellor w'itendekyereri Right Reverend Associate Professor Sheldon Mwesigwa.
For all higher institutions.
So when you graduate, it means you have climbed a step from one level to another. You should feel very proud.
This is very much your day, but it is also one that we are delighted to share.
Omukwayo ubutumwa bwa Minister Chris Baryomunsi yagera ngo kushomana kimanyiso ku etabaaza z'okwakira buri omwe mu ihanga nuko kushaba baheze emishomo yabo okukitoreza.
Just be patient. Even if you have one pair of shoes, just be with it. Time will come, like the Bishop said, the jobs will be there. All of us completed university, we did have jobs immediately, but now we are placed in many areas.
Incidence of HIV infection among 14-year-olds to 24-year-olds. That is our age here, students. Please, we need to be careful. And in Mbarara, mwanya gwa kabiri gwa sirimu namba yo kubanza ni Toro.
Omubajara haba harimo n'abakozi bashatu ba Vision Group, umurimo manager wa Radio West Dickson Nandinda, Michael Tumwachiro wa Agacencwire, hamwe na Bob Gad Agaba, omuhereza wa Good Night Melodies aha Radio West.
Graduate diploma in public administration and management.
Kubekuriyo kwehayo obwire butaro akuba habe hariho okubanza kwiruka kuzakora aha Radio West okurebera family noronda fize yanjye eyanye ko mwegi ngaruka nonda fize y'abana.
Urugendo rwe rutanguhina mnonga nkitwa abamahurire akubanyombe nishomo mu weekend shango weekend nubwo kandi ubutukubantu tukora amahurire minjo shango mwenka Bishop nakwenda hasande ningo inembago rwa mukaga konka mbase kubalansinga kuba washomo kuzire kindebere mu noba nomanya ecyo rukwenda.
Mujungu nagira ngo a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single trek, with a single step. Sima ruhanga rwe rutanguhi konka mukama yanga idinga sima ruhanga n'abazire banje n'abanywane banje bona.
Ogwa abaguryo mu rundi rw'19 itendekyereri rukuje Kabeegi kandi ubona baje ari zoveri n'abeje 1512 aha wa TV West and Era Akiza.
Thank you very much.